Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to introduce the best Chamvis Balloon Arch Kit, perfect for all your party decoration needs. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to create a stunning balloon arch that will elevate the look of any event. Whether it's a wedding, baby shower, birthday party, or any special occasion. The Chamvis Balloon Arch Kit features a 7.4-foot adjustable frame crafted from high-strength glass fiber poles. These poles are designed to be sturdy and flexible, ensuring that your arch can withstand outdoor conditions without collapsing. The kit is also equipped with two PVC bases that provide stability. You can fill these bases with water or sand, adding extra weight to keep your arch securely in place, regardless of wind or movement. Assembly of this kit is incredibly easy and user-friendly. You won't have to spend hours figuring it out. The setup process takes just a couple of minutes, making it perfect for those who want quick and effective results without any hassle. You can adjust the height and width to fit your desired look by simply changing the distance between the bases. Included in this amazing package are accessories that facilitate your decoration process. You'll receive 30 balloon clips to help secure your balloons, 2 balloon knotters, along with ground-secure ropes and nails, ensuring that everything remains in place. The electric balloon pump simplifies the inflation, allowing you to fill up your balloons quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. The Chamvis Balloon Arch Kit is versatile and ideal for various occasions. Whether you are planning a festive birthday celebration, an elegant wedding, or a cheerful baby shower, this kit allows for endless creative possibilities. You can mix and match different colored balloons to create a customized look that suits your theme. In addition to its fantastic features, the Chamvis team prides itself on providing excellent customer service. They have put great care into crafting this product, ensuring a pleasant shopping experience for all customers. Should any issues arise, their dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist. So, if you want to make a remarkable impression at your next gathering, investing in the Chamvis Balloon Arch Kit is a fantastic choice. With its practicality, durability, and stylish design, you will surely leave your guests in awe. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tips on how to enhance your celebrations.